Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Swan Lake Village. It's 620 57th Avenue West, lot D-6 in Bradenton, Florida. For pricing and full information on this home, please see the description under the title below, or you can visit us at FloridaLifeMobileHomesales.com, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. This is a nice quiet street without too much pass-through traffic, and the lot sizes are quite roomy with plenty of space between homes. Plenty of room for 2 cars in this driveway, and still have room for a social setting at the rear end of the carport. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a pass-through kitchen. It does have a nice enclosed lanai area. We have approximately 1,157 square feet, and the lanai space is an additional 200 square feet. The washer and dryer is indoors in this home. Plenty of cabinet space in this home. There is a dishwasher. The garbage disposal was just replaced as well. We have built-in cabinetry in the dining room area. Nearly the whole span of the front of the home is windows, so it makes a nice and bright living area. There's a fully enclosed lanai. It does have a window unit in it, so just for the summer months when you might need it. This home is being offered furnished, so there are a few personal items, but the majority of the furnishings will stay with the home. There is carpeting in this living area, but the remainder of the home does have a nice laminate throughout. This is a king-size bed in this guest room. We have closet and pantry space in the hall. The guest bathroom has a shower tub enclosure and a full linen closet. The primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom spans the width of the rear of the home. A very spacious closet. And the ensuite bathroom does also have a shower tub enclosure along with another nice linen closet. We'll glance through the house as we head out to see the exterior of the home. At the end of the driveway here, you can see there's a nice patio set and a good sized storage area, especially that it doesn't have a washer and dryer there. You have plenty of room. Again, you'll see there's nice space between homes. Worth noting, the roof has been recently recoated with the cool roof. It is a metal roof. The AC blower motor and return ductwork was all just replaced as well. Out front, you have nice brickwork for landscaping and curb appeal. Swan Lake is located just a few miles north of the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport, about 15 minutes to the Gulf Coast beaches. It is a 55-plus community that is pet-friendly. It offers heated swimming pool, shuffleboard, library, and clubhouse with organized activities. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now. For pricing and full details on this home, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos.